Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again today. We are here in our office motorhome today, and we would just like to announce, guys, to all our clientele, yung mga customer natin from the past na mga nag-place ng order sa atin ng mga packages, air tours, and vacations sa Pilipinas. We would like to inform you guys na our website is now accepting booking online, meaning anyone who will visit our website, the www.liwaliwtravels.com, you can directly book with us online. And we have our partners, our suppliers, big companies like Expedia, Trip.com, Agoda, 12Go. They are part of our affiliate partnership with them, so you can literally able to book with us online. So hindi nyo na kami kailangan kontakin sa ating mga previous clientele. You can directly book on our website www.liwaliwtravels.com para mas mapabilis natin yung proseso ng inyong mga travel packages. Marami po kaming ino-offer doon na mga packages, especially from mga kilalang supplier natin, which is Expedia as well, and also Trip.com, our main website for travels. We invite you to go and check liwaliwtravels.com para kung saan doon mismo kayo sa aming website makapag-book ng inyong mga travels. Napakadali, simple lang, just browse around kung ano yung mga tinatarget yung plans na pag-uwi, pagbakasyon. Nandoon po lahat, di na po kayo mahirapan. The simple, the easiest way to book online, no? And we guarantee you that we back up everything that you book in there. Safe, wala pong hassle gaya ng mga ginagawa nyo na sa amin before sa pagbubook nyo directly with us. But this time, we make it easier for you na mag-book online sa www.liwaliwtravels.com. Thank you guys. Have a great day.